Hi everybody, welcome back. My name is Mr. Campbell from MrCampbellRocks.com. Today I'm going to show you how to change ownership in the new Google Share option. So once you have your document, your file, your sheet, or whatever file you're working with in Google Drive, it could be an entire folder, what you'll do is you'll share that already with the person, or hopefully it's already been shared with them. So in the previous video we talked about how to share that, the new dialog, and what that looks like. Here's the new dialog box. What you'll see here is when you come down to the person or the people that you've shared it with, is when you click on editor, there's a little upside down caret and you can just click on that. Here is where you can remove that person from that sharing, or you can make them the owner, or you can give them temporary access. So if I click on make the owner, what this will do is this will send the new owner an email, and all of those changes will take place like the old Gmail or the old Google Drive options as far as forms, sheets, docs, slides, etc. This has been a quick tutorial on how to change ownership using the new share button in Google Drive. Again, if you're here, it's most likely because you're an educator. I love you, I appreciate you, and I'm glad that you're here.